To an Israeli company thinking out of the box, bringing together AI and other innovative technology startups with the world's largest pharmaceutical companies. And they're working on a brave new front in curing diseases and saving lives. Here's more in my report. It's a brave new world. One that is accelerating more than time itself.
Basically what I said is when I leave home and come to the office, no matter what, when I walk in, I want to smile.
Maddie Gill is the CEO of AION Labs, a venture studio for AI and biotech, while cutting out the competition from the world's largest pharmaceutical companies and changing humanity in the process.
So we have Pfizer and AstraZeneca. This is their first R&D investment in Israel. Plus Merck, with a long legacy of working in Israel, 50 years out of Germany, and Teva, the flagship Israeli company, together with Amazon Web Services.
We're developing an AI physics platform for the discovery of biologic drugs, which means mini proteins and antibodies, and we're doing that absolutely from scratch.
Tal Lebovich Rivkin is the COO of Denovi, which is one of the companies established by AION Labs. This team of human brains have come up with an AI and computer intelligence platform that could cure rare diseases and save lives.
The overall idea here enables us to create drugs to undruggable targets. So there are currently targets that we know they have a certain role in certain disease, but currently we hadn't been able to create any drugs for those.
Without taking the blue pill and the concept of time in the matrix.
What we're trying to do here is take an industry which is working for decades in same conservative manners in a very inefficient process of creating drugs in a process that takes $2 billion over 10 years and fails over 90% of the times. Each morning they start from here, and during the day they hear different lectures and they talk with each other, and then throughout the day each one of them has their own room.
This week, AION Labs has been hosting a hand-selected group of brilliant minds to take part in a competition awarding $1 million to create a startup, receiving mentorship, all with a goal of changing the world.
The big challenge that we brought them, which is the unmet need of the industry, and how do we find target combinations for one drug. Using generative AI, we can actually target multiple biological mechanisms to be able to treat diseases in a more advanced, more sophisticated manner.
We bring together more than 50 people from all of Teva's different groups, and we all sit together and brainstorm what are the biggest challenges in each team. And then we come up and meet with the other pharma partners, and we all share the different challenges.
In brown, this is Denovi's mini protein that was designed using our system, our platform, to bind the same epitope as the commercially approved drug. Purple on the gray protein is the epitope, meaning this is the area where we want our drug to bind.
Even Israel's flagship pharmaceutical company, Teva, is hopeful that by collaborating with other pharma giants, it'll fast-track groundbreaking new discoveries at lightning speed.
At Teva, we focus a lot at brain science, at central nervous system, devastating diseases like neurodegeneration, Parkinson, motoric diseases, ALS. We see a lot of potential. And on the other side, there is immunology, autoimmune diseases like IBD, like psoriasis, like Crohn, yes, that are also a big challenge for the field.